I'm at Pinwheel. This try Pinwheel. Well, I've been here before, and it was really nice. Had a really good breakfast, but I didn't record it. So I'm recording this time. They specialize in French delicacies, I could say. So we'll go in and order some breakfast, French style, the French way, and let you guys, decide for yourselves. But I'll tell you, I would totally recommend it, especially if you're in the South Bay, Torrance area. We're at Crenshaw and PCH. That's Crenshaw and Pacific Coast Highway. Okay. Have a nice outside dining. Hopefully it's not going to be that crowded, but we'll see. Open every day. Sorry about the reflection. Mercy. Ham and cheese. Oh, I see. Orange juice. Am I wrong? Buffet menu, specialties. Give you a better idea. Croissant mornings, oh there it is. Croissant or baguettes morning. Bacon and chives. There we go. I have the croissant morning.
Okay, sir.
With vanilla latte.
Okay.
I guess it's just the one size. Okay. Oh, one size. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And this will be for here.
You got it.
Okay.
25.
21.55.
7. 28, sir. 25, 35, 45.
All right.
Did you want your receipt, sir?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Okay, thanks, man.
Thank you. We'll bring everything out 2 minutes ready.
All righty. Thank you.
No problem.
Try to stay out of the way of most, most people. Here's the damage. It's a morning a latte vanilla syrup. And like I said here, it's let me see. It's the croissant. I should have had the fruit cup. Morning, $14. Scrambled eggs, Swiss cheese, bacon, and chives. And he's gonna give me a mixed green salad. So that's cool. There's the phone number, and the address. There she blows. With the vanilla latte. Looking good. A little salad dressing. Up the salad. Bacon, tomato, olive, Dijon, vinaigrette. folks don't need a YouTube video. They are crowded. I'm gonna finish this up and talk with you guys there. Clean Plate Award. Yeah, I'm doing a review from the car. It's a little cool outside, so, and it's kind of noisy too, but you can tell spring is in the air. The temperatures are getting warm. I guess some people are happy, you know, especially in the colder climates. But here in LA, you know, it happens obviously much sooner. I was in Montana and Wyoming, and you know, even there's snow on the ground all the way to late May. Whew, it's cold up there. But Pinwheel, you know, I can't say enough. Everything just really nice. Food's great, service is great. Can't beat the location if you're in the South Bay area. They're right in the shopping center. I'm trying to read the sign. It was called a Plaza, but I can't read the sign. But yeah, everything's great. You can't beat it. Coffee was great. The croissant with the eggs and the bacon. Salad was nice. Next time though, I need to remember. I want to order the fruit. I guess it's the fruit bowl or fruit cup bowl or whatever they want to call it. But and last time they had paper cups for the coffee, but this time they have the ceramic, which I think is a better addition. It's more French, I guess you might say. But I can't say enough. It's you know, everything, just service, everything. You know, the restaurant looks really nice, clean. So if you're, you know, for any time of day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, want to pick up something with a French twist, I'm totally recommend it. I totally recommend it. Okay, so this is it for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Appreciate the support. Wherever you are, I hope you're doing okay. Have a nice day, evening, nice weekend. Wherever you are, whatever you're up to, take care of yourselves out there. Stay vigilant. Take care of each other. Watch each other's back. So for me, that's it. Signing out. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.